Hey, did you know it rains diamonds on other planets? How can two places so close together have such drastically different climates? And the vast Sahara Desert wasn't always a scorching wasteland. Fact number one, diamond rain on Jupiter and Saturn. Did you know it rains diamonds on other planets? That's right. On Jupiter and Saturn, the intense pressure and heat inside their atmospheres are believed to create a mind-blowing phenomenon. Methane gas gets squeezed so hard that it actually turns into tiny diamond crystals. These diamond crystals then fall like rain. Here's the science behind it. Methane is a simple molecule made of carbon and hydrogen atoms. Under the extreme pressure and heat inside Jupiter and Saturn, the hydrogen gets squeezed away from the carbon atoms. This leaves behind pure carbon, which is the main ingredient in diamonds. The intense pressure then forces these carbon atoms to bond together in a specific crystal structure, creating tiny diamonds. Unfortunately, these diamond showers wouldn't be much good for jewelry making. The diamonds are likely microscopic and full of imperfections. But hey, it's still pretty amazing to think it rains diamonds on other planets. Fact number two, Death Valley's scorching heat versus Mount Whitney's frigid temperatures. Here's a geographical mind-bender. Death Valley in California holds the record for the hottest recorded temperature on Earth, a scorching 134 degrees Fahrenheit, 56.7 degrees Celsius. That's hot enough to fry an egg on the sidewalk. But guess what? Just 150 miles away, atop Mount Whitney, you'll find some of the coldest temperatures in North America, reaching a bone-chilling minus 85 degrees Fahrenheit. In Celsius, it's minus 65 degrees. That's enough to make your teeth chatter. But how can two places so close together have such drastically different climates? It all comes down to altitude and rain shadows. Death Valley sits at a low elevation in a basin, trapping hot air and preventing moisture from reaching the area. Mount Whitney, on the other hand, towers over the landscape, creating a rain shadow that blocks moisture from reaching its peak. Fact number three, bioluminescent bays, a glowing natural light show. Ready for a natural light show unlike any other? Many bays around the world, like the famous Mosquito Bay in Puerto Rico, put on a dazzling display at night thanks to bioluminescent organisms called dinoflagellates. These tiny, single-celled creatures have special organs that produce light through a chemical reaction. When the water is disturbed, like by a swimming fish or a boat oar, the dinoflagellates light up, creating a magical blue-green glow. It's like swimming through a starry sky. Bioluminescence isn't just beautiful, it also serves a purpose. The dinoflagellates use their light to attract prey or to confuse predators. Fact number four, the Sahara Desert's dramatic transformation. The vast Sahara Desert wasn't always a scorching wasteland. It might be hard to imagine, but around 10,000 years ago, the region was actually a lush grassland dotted with lakes and rivers. Cave paintings and archaeological evidence show us what the Sahara once looked like. So, what caused this dramatic change? Scientists believe it was a shift in Earth's orbit that altered rainfall patterns. A slight wobble in the Earth's axis reduced the amount of monsoon rain that reached the Sahara, slowly turning it into the desert we know today. Boom! You just leveled up your knowledge with some far-out facts. Feeling like a trivia titan. Test your friends and family with these mind-bending morsels. Want to stay ahead of the knowledge curve? Smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you never miss a dose of these funky facts. We'll see you on the next wacky wisdom ride.